I want to show you how to set up a Photoshop document. Specifically, we're going to look at setting it up for our print piece, our tabloid poster, but I'm also going to just show you where you can also, like what settings you can change and where you can set things up if you want to set up, or when you're going to set up your social media images. So when you open up Photoshop, you're going to get a screen similar to this. Obviously yours is going to look a little different because you won't have opened the same images recently as I have. You probably won't have any if it's your first time doing that. You can go ahead and use these buttons here to create a new document or open a document you've already been working on. And the same functions are available up on the top menu. I'm going to show you in a few cases where there are similarities and differences between our menu items or tools that are available up in the top here and what's available within the Photoshop application main view. So you can either create a new document here, or you can go ahead and click Create New over on your left-hand side. And in here, you will have a bunch of kind of recent things if you're me and you've used it a lot recently, but you might not have anything in here at all. So we're going to be starting off by a number of different presets. And as you can see, there are also some templates and things that are available for you. Different mobile sites, again, mobile sizing for different devices. And you can always view more presets. And as you can see, this for the web is made for websites, whereas mobile, again, talking about different things rather than necessarily applications like Instagram. So you're probably going to have to go in and set your settings yourself, where again, you'll know what size and pixels you're going to be wanting to do. But we're going to start off by making our print poster. So go ahead and click on print, and you're going to see a bunch of presets. And your US letter, US legal, tabloid, which is 11 by 17, and A4, which is international standard print paper, will be probably the first ones that are going to pop up. Now we're making a full 11 by 17 inch poster, which is also known as a tabloid poster. So click on that. Now, most of these settings are going to be correct for us now, which is great. But it's a good idea to check what the settings are, because in this case, there is at least one setting we're going to want to change. So size is right, it's 11 by 17 and it's in inches, it's oriented vertically, 300 pixels per inch, that's exactly what we want. But when we get down to color mode, you'll remember that for print, we're wanting to be in CMYK, not in RGB. So make sure that you're in the right color mode, and then you can determine if you want your background to be white, transparent, etc. In this case, white's absolutely fine, but make sure you're in the right color mode and hit create. And in the next video, I'm going to take you through looking at Photoshop for the first time and what you're going to see.